Cozy.
Tone when it's just me and you alone, you're lonely, alone, getting slowly, when you know me, yeah, meditate, you can take me to a place where we can't be all alone, I let you hold me, cause you know me, yeah. Lay your head on my pillow,
What's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today's video is going to be, I want to say Vlogmas week 1, but I know that I'm going to be posting a lot of videos in this month of December, and I know I'm not going to title them with Vlogmas in it, so I don't want to say this is Vlogmas week 1 and then I don't have any other videos that say Vlogmas. So it's either going to be Vlogmas or it's just going to be a whole lot of consistency of December. But today's video is going to be a monthly reset video. So today is Sunday, December 3rd, and I wanted to do like a Sunday reset video, but since it's a new month, I decided to just call it like a monthly reset, because this could really be me resetting for the month, especially me here in the dorms, because I am going to be going home for most of December. So when I come back, my place will be pretty clean. As you've seen, I already went to the gym, so I got up, and I'm not gonna lie, this morning was a little rough and just kind of emotional, but honestly that is the reality of college and stuff, or just the reality of life too. But I just say this because I'm in college and you just have different emotions kind of every day. Like sometimes you feel really happy, really good about things, and then on the other hand don't feel your best. So I was watching like some spiritual videos about God and stuff, and just it was very touching, and it really described my situation, and it was just an emotional morning. But I feel like letting those emotions out definitely helped me. Sometimes you need to let those emotions out. If they're inside, you need to let them out, let them go, because that's sometimes all it takes is letting it out. Some cases probably takes a little bit more, but in some cases it's good to just let it out. I'm all done with the gym. I just did 25 minutes of cardio on an incline and then ran a little bit on the treadmill too. Some things on the agenda for today: I'm going to do laundry. I definitely need to like wash my sheets, and then probably just do like another load of laundry of probably like darks or lights depending on what I need to do more of. Then I have to clean my room, probably just a sweep probably, and then wipe down like my mirrors and counters and stuff, and just make the room feel nice and clean. I want to do some self-care tonight, so I want to do a face mask, some whitening strips, and just really relax and wind down. And I actually want to read my book, Why Men Love Bitches. Excuse my language, but that's just what the book is called. But if you know, you know. If you've read it before, it is a great book, I've heard. And I've had this book for years and I have never read it, and I just feel like I wasn't ready for some reason. Like I already kind of overthink things, so I always felt like reading the book would make me overthink things more. But I feel like it's just about knowledge, and at least learning about it to try to apply it in some situations, not necessarily make you overthink. So I'm gonna read that book tonight while I do my self-care, and read chapter 1 and see what it's like, because I'm trying to finish that book and read it and go on to the next. And then lastly, I have groceries coming, so that's is the plan for today. I know I've been talking a lot, so let's just get straight into this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get straight to the video. Okay guys, so I got all my laundry together and I decided I'm only gonna do darks, which is pretty much majority of my laundry, and then my 2 blankets and my 2 pillowcases, because I just recently washed my comforters, so I just wanted to do my pillowcases for my face because my face has been breaking out. So this is what it is right here. I have to carry that all the way downstairs because our elevators are broken. 3 flights of stairs all the way to the laundry room. So I might ask a friend to come help me, or I might just thug it out and do it by myself. But I got all my laundry together and we're gonna go down there, put this laundry in, and then edit some of my YouTube videos. So I'm gonna bring my iPad down there so I can edit it. And yeah, this is the reality, having to walk and go do your laundry in a whole other building. We love it. I got my friend to help me, Kev. He's helping me, and then I got my blankets and stuff around me. But yeah, we're just walking to the laundry room now to do this laundry. And I forgot my damn pods. So I just put my laundry in the washers and it's gonna take about 30 minutes. So I'm just gonna talk to my friend here and then just edit some of my YouTube video like I said. And I'm gonna show you guys the room I'm in because it's connected to the laundry room. And this is where I like to come sometimes and just do some work or edit a YouTube video, because sometimes in your room it could just, sometimes you just don't get work done in your room. So I like to just get away and really try to focus for like a good amount of time. So let me show you guys the room. This is the little room that's connected to the laundry room. So they have vending machines, tables, bathroom and stuff, and then the laundry room's over here. Time to change over this laundry, y'all.
It just might be a swear, just might be a what am I missing? Always taking all day time, but y'all with a nigga, but you don't want to take on. What am I missing? Seem like a game or from a sugar daddy or a drug dealer. Take me at the club.
Look at her. Look at her mama, man. Look at her. That ain't my girl. That's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster.
Hey guys, so I have cleaned my room. I didn't end up sweeping or anything like that to my floors because my floors are fine. They don't really need to be swept. So I just wiped some things down, lit a candle, and yeah, so my room doesn't get really messy, so I don't need to like really do anything that extra. But I took my recycling out and got my laundry, so I'm about to lay that all out on my bed and put all that away. And I don't even know what I'm gonna do after that. My groceries are coming between 4 and 5. It's 3:34 right now, so I still have a bit of time until they come. But I'm really hungry, so I'm debating if I want to go to this place called Bowlology and get some food, or just wait till my groceries come and eat a little salad or something. I really don't know, but I just know I need to eat. So I'm gonna put these clothes away and see what the rest of the vibe is.
Oh, whichever one is in the household, oh damn yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a piece of mind, baby, come in.
Hey guys, so it's been a little bit later and my groceries just arrived, so I'm gonna give you guys a little haul of everything I got and then I'm gonna put it away. But before I just put it away, I need to clean out my fridge, like wipe it down, throw out some stuff that I don't want anymore. A lot of my groceries are healthy groceries, so if you guys are looking for some junk food, I don't have that at all. But I just got 4 of these chicken Caesar salads. They're really good. And if you're in college, I don't know if I said this in this video or another video, but sometimes it's hard to find a balance of eating healthy here. The stuff I get, if you're interested and don't know what to eat in college and you eat healthy, then I can give you guys some ideas. So one of them is chicken Caesar salad. And I just got a thing of water. I also got this Santa Fe style salad with chicken. I also like this one. I think I ordered, like, I don't know, I try to order it evenly, but sometimes I have to substitute it on Walmart, so they couldn't get it. And then I got some kombucha, so guava goddess, and another guava goddess. Oh, and another salad. I didn't realize I got 6 of salads. I don't think that will even fit in my fridge. And then I guess I got another guava goddess. They always have to do substitutions on Walmart, so I rarely get exactly what I want. And then I got Triology. This is my least favorite kombucha because it literally just tastes like apple cider vinegar, I feel like. So I'm not looking forward to that one. Then lastly, I just got some egg white bites. I recently started getting these. My mom put me onto them because I was just eating yogurt and granola and then sometimes oatmeal. I still have a lot of it, so I can definitely like balance out what I eat for breakfast, so I'm not just eating the same thing every day. So egg bites are so good, and I usually eat 2 of them. If I'm really hungry, I'll eat 3, but literally so good. You're getting protein and your veggies in college, so it's like, it's great because I need my nutrients. So these are my groceries. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Let's just get straight to this fridge and clean it out because I have some stuff I don't want in there anymore. So let's just clean this fridge out. This is how my fridge is looking. I just put the water down there, all my salads over here, my kombuchas, and then I have my veggie egg white bites in there. And then on the side, I have my Gatorade, a few more of my kombuchas, my yogurt, and then my little Red Bull. I need to hop in the shower. I'm gonna wash my hair, and then if you guys have watched my videos before, then you guys know I put it in some twists or some braids with moisture to moisturize my hair and help it grow. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna see you guys when I get out of the shower. Okay guys, so I have my face mask on, so I'm just going to chill in my bed. I might read the book right now, or I might read the book when I'll probably read the book after I wash this off. Actually, I'm just gonna chill on my phone for a little bit, and I was FaceTime with my friend, so I'll probably get back on FaceTime and then come back to you guys in like 30 minutes, which will be literally a second to you guys. But hey guys, so it has been a few hours later, a lot of hours later actually, and I just been editing this video for you guys. I actually got it majority of all done. I'm just filming this outro, And yeah, so I read chapter 1 of the book and I did really enjoy it. It was interesting and definitely gave me a lot of knowledge. I definitely recommend all of you guys to go get it. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this monthly reset video. I enjoyed it because now I feel good, rejuvenated and stuff for this month, and just good and relaxed. I don't know, you guys know that feeling when you get a lot of tasks done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I definitely have so many more videos for you guys to come this month of December, so make sure you guys are subscribed, post notifications are on. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.